What I'm about to show you feels utterly illegal. I remember the first time I stumbled across this. I thought there is no way this can be real. And honestly, I know a lot of people who are gonna get pissed at me for sharing this publicly. But here's the thing, I'm fucking fed up with the gatekeeping. Because when I started out, nobody showed me this. I was grinding 12-hour days for a couple $1,000 wondering if I should just give up. But then I figured it out, and I was making so much money from editing that my parents thought that I was dealing drugs. So grab a pen, lock in, and take notes, because the info I'm about to share with you has the ability to change your life forever. The biggest lie being told in the editing space is that better editors make more money. And let me tell you, there are tens of thousands of editors who are better than me. However, I'm in the top 0.01% of editors who make over $12,000 every single month. So clearly, skill does not mean income. But why is this? Well, most editing gurus tell you if you want to make more money from editing, you've got to charge more per video. So then the question is, how do you charge more per video? And their answer is to get better at editing. Sure, I guess that makes sense. If I make a really good edit, surely somebody will pay me a lot of money for it. And they're right. If you're an exceptionally good editor, you can charge $1,000 to $3,000 for a single video. But here's the part that doesn't make sense. To edit a better video, you have to spend more time on the video. No matter how good of an editor you are, the more complex the video, the more time it's going to take. But there is a limit on how much a creator will pay you for a single video. Sure, you might have spent a full month editing a single video, but they're not going to pay you $10,000 for it. Realistically, the maximum amount that anyone will pay for a YouTube video is about $3,000. And if you work out the hourly rate of that project, well, it's abysmal. If you work 12 hours a day for 6 days a week, that's 288 hours to finish a single video. And you might think that's unrealistic, but it is not. Some of these videos with the craziest 3D After Effects animations are absolute mammoths to finish. And 300 hours is not an overestimate. And it works out to about $10 an hour. Did you get into editing for an hourly rate of $10? For context, that is less than minimum wage in every single Western country. You think that having this extremely valuable skill set is only worth $10 an hour? Well, if you follow this model, then it appears you do. How do we make more money as a video editor? Well, there's something that I like to call the volume approach to editing. Instead of making crazy videos for thousands of dollars, we make simple videos for hundreds. Think about it, how long would a 10-20 minute video take you to cut up and add some simple text effects? Maybe 2 hours? But because it's still high quality, you can charge $200, $300 for it. And what's that hourly rate? $150 an hour? That's why quantity editing always beats quality editing, because the amount that you're being paid per hour as an editor does not scale linearly. It looks something like this: $10 an hour versus $100 an hour. Which one are you going to pick? 10 times the hourly wage, with a fraction of the effort. I call this approach to editing content operating, because you're not making crazy flashy edits designed to get views. You're making conversion focused videos helping your clients get more customers. It's the business model that's taken me to $12K a month, my student Timek to $9K a month, Karen to $6K a month, and countless more examples that we don't have time for right now. But if you're interested in getting similar results, then you can click the first link in the description to apply to join my one-on-one mentorship. This might sound good in theory, but where do you actually find these clients who are going to pay you $200, $300 for a simple video? Well, the truth is, every single outreach strategy works. There's no hidden technique that's going to get you to $10K a month overnight. For me and my clients, we've just found that cold email is the easiest way to reach out to YouTubers. Why? because they have it in their about section. There's no other reason. But if your niche is more active on Instagram, then reach out to them there. Same goes for Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever. They all work the same. But there is one important factor, and if you don't get this right, you can throw any chance of reaching your editing goals out the window. It's of course volume. Sending enough outreaches every single day that you actually get replies. The sweet spot is around 50 per day. Here's why. 50 cold emails a day works out to 1,500 over the span of a month. And if 70% of the people you outreach to actually see the message, that's 1,050 people. Then, if only 10 of them reply positively, that's 105 positive replies. And if only 50% of them book a call, that's 52 calls in the month. And even if you're dog shit at closing, you'll close at around 20%. Given that you're actually a good editor, which works out to 10 clients in a single month. And if you're charging $2K a month, that's $20,000. And the best part is, those numbers are pessimistic. So even if you're a little bit better than what I said, you could see some crazy results. The key factor being volume, turning up every single day and sending outreach. But now we've got ourselves in a bit of a tricky situation. You've just landed 10 clients in a single month. How the hell are you going to deliver all of those videos? Well, firstly, because they want such a simple editing style, we can productize the delivery. This is where we turn the service of video editing into a product. And we do this through a system that I've called the Vault. The Vault is just a Premiere Pro project that has every single asset that you need to edit a client's video. Half screen, full screen text, lower thirds, B-rolls, sound effects, music, literally everything. Yes, this will take you quite a few hours to build out, but once you've made it, you can use it infinitely into the future. All you have to do is copy and paste pre-used assets into the timeline of the video that you're working on. As long as the video looks clean and professional, they'll have no issue whatsoever paying you $200, $300 for your service. Especially with the improvement of AI tools, making one of these simple productized videos should not take you any longer than 2 hours. Given that you're using something like Firecut or Gling AI to cut up the footage, because that reduces the task from a 2-hour job to a 20-minute job. And for 10 clients, that's 2 videos a day, assuming that they weekly upload. 2 hours each, that's only 4 hours of work per day, giving you a fuck ton of freedom. Compared to the other editor charging $3K for his video, who's working day and night to try and get this hyper edit delivered to his client within the next month. Let's say you don't even want to work for 4 hours a day, you want to work for 1 hour a day. You can take advantage of something that I call arbitrage, which is finding a skilled professional in a third world country and hiring to do the job for cheaper than what you are charging. Like we said earlier, let's say you're charging $250 for one of these videos. You can post on Twitter or Upwork, look on Fiverr, Discord or school groups, literally anywhere where editors are, and hire a talented editor for $50 or so per video. And given these videos are so simple, that is definitely a fair rate. $25 an hour in a third world country is fucking rich. You are giving them an incredible opportunity, so in no way is this unethical. They deliver the video back to you, you pocket the $200 difference, and you can scale your business 2, 3, 4 times over. Outsourcing work is not something you should be afraid of. Throw any limiting beliefs you have around it out the window and take action today. But if you're an editor making around $2,000 a month and want my personal help to scale to 10, 15, 20K a month, then you can click the first link in the description to apply to join my one-on-one mentorship. We guarantee results, so therefore spots are limited to 3 to 5 a month. So if you're interested, don't waste any time and click the first link in the description. But if you want the full hour-long breakdown of how you can switch from video editing to content operating to make over 10K a month, then you can click the video up here.